water.
Because the lady that was just in front of you is a police officer. I'm not even kidding. She took your license plate down. So you want a cup of water?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that ever again.
Sorry.
Alright, here we go.
This is gonna be fun to you too, I'm telling you, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Thank you for choosing my Wendy's. What can I get for you today?
Can I get one with number 2, 3, 4 in order?
I'm sorry, you said you wanted the number 2?
No, I said I wanted the number. Water. Do you get that?
Yeah, I got that, but I don't think we serve that here, love.
A water? All I want is water.
Do you want the sun, the single, double, or triple?
Now, how much is the water?
Do you want just the water?
Yes, ma'am. Just the water. How much is the water? Is water free?
It is.
Can I have a water, please?
You sure can. Pull up to the second window.
Thank you.
Hey, yo, watch out.
You guys have a good evening.
Hey, it's tough. I'm good.
That's good. My name is Ann. Maybe we shoot a combo.
No, I would like to have a. What's up, Can you hear me?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
What'd you say?
My name is Ann. Maybe we shoot a combo.
No, I would like to have the number with the 1, 4. You get that? Hello?
I'm sorry, we did not understand you.
I would just like to have a water. Can I get a water?
Yes, sir. Anything else?
That'd be all.
All right, honey, come on up.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Whoa. He got a mind of his own. You can cut it.
Yeah, now I am.
Welcome to the cook. I might take your order for you.
Yeah, can I get a... Did you get that?
No. Have a nice day.
How much is the water?
Sorry, sir. You're right on the floor.
These motherfuckers act like they don't want to give a nigga no water. Ah, damn, I gotta get a water. Shit. Y'all motherfuckers retarded, bro. I just want water. Shit. Can I get a water?
Yeah, like a small water?
Yeah, just a water, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry, how car's on your...
Yeah, man. My car got a mind of his own sometimes. It's crazy.